Welcome to our 2-bedroom house, 114 square meter. Yeah, the house comes with a biometric door. You can use a card to access the door. You can also have face recognition, and of course it's a 24 lock system.
24 lock.
Yeah, 24 lock system. It's very nice. So this is our house. First we have a guest washroom with a shower. It's very nice. Comes also with an Android mirror.
Yeah, Android mirror.
Yeah, and very big guest bedroom. It's very nice. This is a 5x6 bed. Very big window for the lightings. Yeah, very nice. So this is a 2-bedroom. So these are closets. Our closet comes with this American design, so that your clothes can be well aerated and also fresh. And also you don't have cluttered clothes. The ones you don't use, you just do away with them. Yeah. On side of this is a very nice big living area.
Does it like
Yeah, with the sliding door. And then comes with a very nice balcony. It's massive. It's massive. When you have overflows in the house, they can use the balcony during the times of fellowship or a party. It's very nice. And also that balcony, you can also access from the master's bedroom. Yeah. We have now our dining area is there, a double door fridge. Comes with the design. It's called urban living. Very nice taps. Comes fitted with a cooker, a hood also. We have drawers, very nice ones. Drawers, 2 of them, 2 in number. In case would wash, a dishwasher can be applied there. A very big and ample laundry area. Comes with a wash sink. A place to put the washing machine.
Yes.
And finally we go to our master's bedroom. All the lightings come supplied with the house. All the lightings. Yeah, you find the lightings in the house. Yes, this is our master's bedroom. Very spacious, can fit a king-size bed. We have our closet there. American style, latest version. Yeah, very nice. And then towards the washroom, it's very spacious, very organized. Comes also with a non-slip side.
Non-slide.
You can't slip. Rain shower installed. This one, all this comes to the towel holders, all comes in the house. I believe this is very nice for investment, very nice for living.
Android mirror.
Android mirror comes in the house. Comes with the water heating system. It's there.
This one.
It's very nice.
It's off.
Yeah. That's our 2-bedroom. So the best thing about this house, it's good for investment because lengthwise you can get around 65,000 per month. That is inclusive of the service charge. In case you would like to do Airbnb, because of the proximity towards the airport, our SGR there, for our first one they are charging from 6,500. So I believe this is a house that can give you more than 250k per month. Yeah, it's very good in return. The price is only 8.7. Yes, and then with the flexibility payment plan of the 2 years, you have to raise only the 20%, the rest you pay within 24 months. Yes. So you have 2-level parking, basement 1, basement 2. Yeah, to make sure that we have enough parking. For a 3-bedroom, we promise 2 parking, marked parking. So even for this project, we have each house has its own parking. And
This project.
yes, and we have 16 extra for the visitors.
Oh.
Yes,
So for 3 houses, it's 2.
2 parking. Yeah. Very nice. So your car doesn't get hot. You know here is very hot.
It's very cold. It's very hot.
Yes, yes, yes. So your car is very safe. Yeah. People for diaspora, they can just like that one. You just left the car there
And
went away. You find the car very okay.
after some even 2 years,
Yeah, you find your
just
car
come
there.
back to find your car
Yeah.
still there.
Very secure, very safe. Yeah, I believe it's a high-end place.
It's a high-end place.
Yeah.
So this is the lower parking,
Yes,
and there is the other.
yes, 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 yes.
So it can accommodate roughly 100 cars.
For
Parking up and down.
this one can accommodate 96 cars.
This one.
This is 1 acre. Yeah,
This is
area.
1 acre.
Yes, 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 yes. So you can imagine 1 acre down, another acre up for the parking. You can imagine.
Same number of cars.
Yes.
That's an extra for visitors like this.
16 vehicles. Amazing. Very nice. Yeah, we are making it. Some materials that are pending. When they get cleared from the port, I think the parking will be ready in a 2 weeks time. Yeah.
That's good. Thank you for taking us around.
Okay.
Thank you also for allowing us to film around.
Yeah.
So it's people to come now.
Yeah. They come invest with us.
Yes, let them come and invest with Artisano.
Yes.
Okay. That's great.
So.
Thank you.
Okay.